done this before, you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all.
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. It's London and I'm back again with another video. So today's video is how I got this effortless, voluminous, soft curl or sexy beach waves, however you want to call it. I just know that these curls are giving, okay? So if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. It's super easy. It took me a total of 8 minutes. So definitely grab your tools, grab your curling iron, grab your clips, grab your heat protectant. Definitely grab your heat protectant, and let's get on to this video. So I'll see you guys. Hey guys, let's get right into it. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to get some sexy voluminous beach waves or big voluminous curls. This is my favorite when I'm wearing extensions because I just love that effortless look. Like right now my hair is not too bad, but this is my hair after I curled it like 2 days ago. So I'm just gonna freshen up my curls and show you guys what I'll be doing and what products I'll be using. So if you want to see what I got going on, keep on watching. So we're going to brush out our hair, make sure there's no tangles or anything like that. And this is a U-part unit that I just had installed. I could take it on and off, so it's super simple and easy, but I just love this hair so much. Today is going to be a not too complicated video because I don't like things that are complicated. I like things that are just 1, 2, 3 and done. So you need a curling iron, you need a comb, you need a brush. Today I'm not going to be using a hairspray, but yeah, if you want your curls to last, definitely use a hairspray. So I have on this U-part unit from this company. They haven't released their products yet to the public, so I'm just testing it out, but I would list their info down below if I can. But I love this hair so much, so this would not be the last time you will hear me talk about it. They should be dropping soon, but they wanted me to try the hair out, so I'm just clipping a section of my hair up, and I like to start with this side of my hair. So what we're gonna do is take a brush and we're gonna detangle and make sure there's no knots or anything like that. I curled my hair 2 days ago and the body is still there. I have leave out. So we're gonna make sure that our hair blends effortlessly together. And I'm just going to grab maybe a medium section of hair, depending on how thick you want your curls to be. And I'm grabbing my T3 iron. I just gotta let it warm up because I forgot to turn it on. But yeah, for the summer, I definitely love sexy, beachy, voluminous Victoria's Secret curls. It's just effortless and glam. And if that's your look, you will love it. So before you start, you want to make sure that your leave out or your lace or whatever is blended. I could actually go in with my straightener and straighten my hair. I'm actually in need of a smoothing treatment so I don't have to straighten my hair a lot. But for now, we're just going to Add that, and then for minimal to no heat damage, please use a heat protectant while using hot tools. I sprayed heat protectant on my hair earlier, so I don't need to apply any at the moment. Okay, so you see how this hair blends in so good? Like, I'm obsessed. Ooh, I forgot to actually straighten this part of my hair because it was tucked away. We can't forget that. Spray some heat protectant because this part is real crunchy. Okay, so let's begin. I'm gonna take a medium section, and for my front layers, I'm gonna curl backwards. I'm gonna take the front section and I'm gonna curl my hair to the back. And I find this gives the ultimate volume. But the key to volume is really having layers in your hair, because if you don't have layers, your hair would just be super flat. So make sure you go to a professional to get layers, and if you know how to do layers by yourself, more power to you. But make sure there's layers in your hair. I'm just gonna hold that for a couple of seconds, and I'm gonna hold it. It is very hot, so please be careful. And I'm just gonna let it cool. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna brush it out just yet. I'm gonna take another medium-sized section, comb it out. And I'm gonna curl away from my face again. I like to leave it in for a couple of seconds, not too long, nothing more than 15 to 30 seconds. I dyed it jet black and it's still super soft. I can't wait till they launch because I'll definitely be buying it. The front is cooled down, but I'm not touching it yet. Alright, so we're on to the next one. I'm just gonna curl the front of my hair. Again, taking medium sections. Okay, so I'm done curling my hair and I'm just gonna let the rest of the curls cool down. So now I'm going to apply some edge control, and the brand of this edge control is First Touchdown Edge Tamer Maximum Touch. This is by far my favorite edge control of the season. This side's a little warm, but everything should be cool. So I'm gonna take this wax stick. This is the Care wax stick, and I'm just gonna apply that at my roots just to make sure everything is blended and there's no flyaways. Now I'm gonna take my New Look Garnier Fruit Tree Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum Oil. This has been my go-to since like 2013, 2014, especially when it comes to my weaves and my hair. It's just been doing what it needs to do. But I would say on your real hair, it might leave a little buildup. So going with the clarifying shampoo if needed. So I have some on my hands, and now I'm just gonna rake out my curls. And this is it for the final look. Tell me this ain't cute. Tell me this ain't summer housewife, you know, out in the town, voluminous, sexy, body. Like, I'm just listing out all the things that just reminds me of this hair. And I forgot to straighten a little piece, but that's okay. We're gonna tuck that to the back. But tell me this is not cute. This is definitely a look, and I'm so in love with this hair. I will definitely leave the link down below if I can, because they're not launched yet. But I know where I'm gonna be buying my hair from. It's so pretty. And I dyed it jet black, and it just makes me even more in love. So yeah, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.